Okay, continuing on, I now have a layer called layer 2, and maybe I'm going to rename that. I'm going to rename it by double clicking it, and I'll put in Baran. I don't have to go and create all of my other layers and drag those other circles right now. It's locked. You can even turn them off to hide them so they're not distracting to you if you want by clicking the eyeball icon to hide them. It just helps me keep things organized. And drag down that layer panel so it's a little smaller. I can use more of my workspace. All right, so in layer 2, I am actually going to open that up and lock this main circle. That way I can't accidentally grab it and move it around while I'm trying to work on other things. I'm going to do a simple thing, which is I'm going to go in and add an image to this field by using the place command. And then I need to go find my pictures that I made. There's my folder. So there's the headshot. There's the network models. Let's start with the headshot and place that. Now when you place, you can drag this out and we can play with it a little bit. Now I'm going to actually use this image and we're going to create a use the outline that I have already got in the circle as sort of our border. So I am going to unlock my ellipse for a second. I'm going to drag it on top, and then I'm actually going to select it, and I'm going to create a transparent fill so that I can see it. All right, and so at this point I can reselect Baran and I can play around with different sizing. That, like, actually the aesthetics of the one that I stumbled on while I was talking to you was pretty damn good. So maybe we might think about working with that, figure out what we're going to do and how to distinguish it to make it my own. I'm going to go ahead and place another image, and you see every time you place it creates a new layer up there. And let's see, is this the full one? Yeah. So let's place this guy here, and so drag out. Let's play around with some sizes here. And so I'm not even worrying about trying to extract the block of color or anything. I'm just trying to do a layout here. So that's what I'm going to continue to do, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Alright, so I'm back, and so let's spend another minute here. I was doing a little visual research there too because I thought, well, maybe I should give homage to the corporation that Paul Baran was working for when he came up with these ideas, which was the RAND Corporation. And I did it by looking that up and looking for the logo from 1950 something there from that research page I found. I saw it was a simple sans serif font with smaller below it corporation. So that should be easy enough to create in the text tools when we get over to there, which will be pretty soon here. It'll be one of the next things I do. So let's end this video and we'll move on to the next thing, which is working in some text tools into our design.